Hi everybody. So this is a case of 10 GFCI outlets that I picked up on Amazon for about $65. So let's just take a look at the outside of the box real quick. And I have one I've already removed, but let's open up the box and see what it looks like inside the case. So basically you get a case of 10 of these GFCI outlets, or GFI outlets, some people call them for short. Electeck. So now let's open this, see what the actual outlet product looks like. So that's it in the box. And basically the whole thing comes in a bubble wrap bag, a little bubble pouch. And it looks, I mean, very, very similar to what you'd get from Leviton or any other GFI outlet at Lowe's or Home Depot or any of the big box stores. It's got a little user manual with some wiring diagrams, line versus load, and English on one side and Espanol on the other. So that's very convenient. Now let's look at the outlet itself. So I got to tell you, I mean, this is very, very similar to what you'd see from any of the big retail companies. It even has a stamp on it. It says Intertech ETL. So I'm guessing that this thing got certified, unless they're just putting that stamp on there and it's not real, but I would assume that it is. At least on the outside, this thing looks really, really good. Even has the little tape over the load side. So basically saying, hey, don't connect here. Make sure you connect to line. That's the input. This is the output. Got your reset button, test button, LED indicator. Now this one is not weather resistant and it's not tamper resistant. It's just a straight up 15 amp GFI outlet. It also has a faceplate that comes with it, so that's also very cool. It's got a set of stickers that go on, either the faceplate cover, or you can put these in the breaker panel or on some of your other load outlets to let people know that, if this is your first outlet and then you have a string of maybe 2 other outlets, you can put this on the faceplate so that those are protected by this outlet. It's also got, of course, your mounting screws, your long ones to mount this onto the box, and the little short white ones that put the faceplate onto there. So yeah, I mean, I got to tell you, I am pleasantly surprised with the quality of this. I have not used it yet. These are brand new, but they really look good. So I'm really looking forward to installing a couple of these and seeing how they perform over time, and of course doing some tests. But at first glance, I mean, this really looks like a good quality outlet. So I'm pleasantly surprised with this purchase. So pretty cool. Well, there you have it. Unboxing Electeck GFI outlets from Amazon. Well, if you have any questions or any comments, post them below. And thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please give a thumbs up and please subscribe.